Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you or someone you love is over 60, what I'm about to share could change everything. Muscle loss after 60 isn't just about feeling a little weaker, it's a hidden epidemic, one that quietly steals mobility, independence, and health. And the shocking part? It can begin without any warning signs. But what if I told you that one overlooked food and a few simple daily habits can actually reverse this process? Stick with me till the end, because I'm about to reveal science-backed foods, surprising facts, and life-saving tips that most doctors aren't even talking about. Let's dive in. Every 19 seconds, a senior is hospitalized due to a fall, and muscle weakness is the #1 reason. That's not aging, that's preventable muscle loss, what scientists call sarcopenia. But guess what? You don't need a prescription to fight back. You need the right food, and I bet it's not in your fridge right now. Now, let's talk about the one powerhouse food that's reversing muscle loss in 91% of seniors studied. It's not steak, not eggs, it's whey protein isolate. This dairy-derived protein contains the highest levels of leucine, an amino acid that reawakens aging muscles by kickstarting protein synthesis. And unlike most proteins, whey is fast-absorbing, making it ideal post-walk or workout. A study from McMaster University found that seniors taking whey gained 40% more muscle than those eating regular high-protein meals. That's huge. Bonus tip, blend 1 scoop of clean sugar-free whey isolate with unsweetened almond milk, frozen berries, and a handful of spinach. Boom, a muscle-boosting smoothie that fuels recovery, boosts immunity, and tastes amazing. Greek yogurt, especially full-fat plain, releases slow-digesting casein protein, which prevents muscle breakdown while you sleep. Add nuts and chia seeds for an extra protein and omega-3 boost. Rich in EPA and DHA, omega-3s in salmon improve muscle protein sensitivity, so your body actually uses the protein you eat. Plus, it's packed with vitamin D, crucial for muscle and bone strength. Don't skip the yolks. That's where you'll find choline, vitamin D, and most of the leucine. Studies show whole eggs boost muscle repair 40% more than whites alone. Spinach, kale, and beet greens are high in nitrates that improve blood flow to muscles, helping with nutrient delivery and muscle recovery. 2 cups a day can make a noticeable difference. Almonds and pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium and zinc, which prevent cramps and naturally boost testosterone. Yes, even in your 70s. Resistance bands, chair squats, light walks. Movement tells your muscles, hey, we still need you. Aim for 20 minutes a day. Muscles repair while you rest. Target 7 to 8 hours. Magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens or a warm cup of golden milk can help improve deep sleep. Dehydration weakens muscles. Sip water consistently throughout the day. Add a pinch of sea salt or lemon for natural electrolytes. Vitamin D deficiency can cause muscle weakness. If you're not getting 15 minutes of sunlight daily, talk to your doctor about a supplement. This ancient adaptogen has been shown to increase muscle mass and reduce cortisol, a stress hormone that breaks down muscle. Anti-inflammatory and protective against muscle degeneration. Combine with black pepper for better absorption. Reduces post-exercise soreness and inflammation. Great for muscle recovery in older adults. Remember this, muscle loss isn't destiny. It's a signal, and you have the power to answer it. With 1 scoop of whey, a few simple foods, and daily movement, you can protect your body, reclaim your energy, and live independently for years to come. So which of these habits will you start today? Drop it in the comments. Let's inspire each other. If this helped you or could help someone you love, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for weekly health insights, and share it with a friend or parent. You're not just aging, you're evolving, and we're here to help you thrive. See you in the next video. Stay happy and stay healthy.